How to create Alipay account. Hi everyone. Today I'll guide you through creating an Alipay account in just a few easy steps. Let's dive in. Start by downloading the Alipay app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up and choose your country or region. Enter your phone number and tap Next. You'll receive a verification code by SMS. Type it in to proceed. Fill in your basic information like your name, ID type, for example passport or national ID, and any other required details. Choose a secure 6-digit payment password to authorize transactions on Alipay every time you make one. To fully activate your account, you may need to complete a KYC, which is Know Your Customer verification. So follow the prompts to submit your ID information or photos as required. Finally, link your bank card to add funds and make payments with Alipay. And that's it. Your Alipay account is now ready for transactions and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful short tutorials.